Good morning, Haya. No, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, Fateh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Yash. Good morning, Barira. Okay, everyone, turn on your camera. Hurry up. What is Fateh doing? Don't play on the system.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sidra. Barira, your camera is not turned on. If it is not turned on within 20 seconds, I'm not going to give attendance. Shall we count people for Barira? 20, 19, 18, 17, Barira 16, 15. Okay, it's open. Fateh, share your screen. Within 5 seconds it should share. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close all the other tabs. Close it, close it.
I need them.
No, he was looking at video, sports day. When you Fateh? So what was his Griffin motto? You're on mute.
That was my auntie's phone call.
So how is everyone doing today? You can stop sharing. Barira, where's your uniform? You're on mute, Barira. Barira,
Yeah.
where's your uniform?
I couldn't find it.
I'll give you 2 minutes. Go find it and wear it and come. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I
You're counting. See, counting actually works, huh? Nothing else works in this class. Why is everyone so quiet today? Is it because this is morning? Everyone unmute. I don't like so much silence.
okay. I
Everyone
found it.
unmute. Found it?
Found it.
That's good. Aishin?
Good morning, ma'am. I was joined the Hindi one because there's no one there.
You know that
Me
is
too,
not
ma'am.
Hindi.
Ma'am,
First,
I will first join this one. I will then second join the Hindi.
why you joining Hindi? You don't have first period as Hindi, right? We have first period as
No,
Hindi.
the first it is Hindi. It's Hindi. Yes. Hindi.
Oh, it's Hindi. How is your revision going?
Good.
Good. Aya, you're sleepy? Wake up! Awake! Come on! See, now Badira is looking extra cute. And she's eating something during class, which is against our classroom rules. Chew it fast. Swallow it. Even I am hungry, but there's nothing we can do. We should do this 5 minutes before class. Chew it fast. Okay, people, wait 15 minutes before class, minimum. Okay? How many of you just woke up and directly entered to class?
Just woke up. I woke up 9 o'clock.
Okay, Sidra woke up, Haya just woke up.
6:15.
6:15, that's good. What about Alfateh?
I will woke up at 7, I think 7:20. Yeah. I woke up before like some, I don't remember.
What about Barida? Barida just woke up, right, Barida? Be honest. Hmm? Unmute yourself. Barida, unmute. Okay, I'm texting your mama. Actually, I'm sending her a video of this. Wait, wait, wait. Stop eating during class, first of all.
I'm not.
Hmm. See, everyone is scared of mama, huh? Or papa. How many are scared of mama? Mamas. Just Barida. Ihan is scared of mama.
I mean,
I am even scared of my brother. Are you scared of your siblings? My brother is scary. Are you scared of
I'm scared of mine.
siblings? They're scared of the
I'm
siblings.
scared of mine.
No, I said
No.
yes. I didn't say yes. I said no.
I'm scared of mine. He's like only 1 year old, and I'm scared of him.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not.
Mine is a
I don't
girl,
like
but like
people
I'm
who
scared
is
of her
smaller
because
than me
she
or
pulls my
something. But
hair.
I don't
Yeah,
even
She like
feel
bites
that
me.
what
scared of her.
he does
If
that
the
too.
girls are scared of their siblings, boys are not scared. Boys are the scary ones, so siblings are scared of them. Right, guys? Is that it? Are you guys scary? Yeah. What you're a single child,
We're
right?
not scary.
I have one sister.
Is there anyone who's a single child?
Why is the screen loud like glitch, 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 glitch,
Anyone here
glitch?
just a single child? Yeah,
No,
Aishin is
no, 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 no,
single.
no, 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 no. I'm
No.
your brother.
So only Aishin is single. Aishin, do you want one more?
I have.
Tell your mama and papa.
Now she's pregnant.
Mama is pregnant, right?
Yes.
How many months right now?
Um, coming to 7, 18.
Almost close. Within 2 months, you will have a sibling.
She become 10 months.
Yeah, then he or she will start disturbing you like all the other our siblings are disturbing us.
Yeah, like I am tired of her.
Even I am
No,
tired of my
it's not like
brother.
that. It's not like that. She scolds me. She scolds me.
And she's
It's not like
surprised.
that. She pulls my hair. She bites me. What do I do?
Same
Okay,
highest.
stop it. Same here, but my brother grew up, so it's fine now. I grew up. But when we were kids, no?
Whereas,
Karate.
can I tell
Yes.
nothing?
So like Aishin is very excited to start fighting with the sibling, right Aishin? Yay.
It's gonna be
I
hard.
always fighting with eyes.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard.
Now
I
that
understand.
no,
Enjoy your time now. Enjoy alone time. After this, there's no lonely time. There is only all the time it will be sound. Good sound, bad sound, happy days, bad days. Everything is a part of it.
Will Hindi class ma'am come here or we have to join there?
Oh, you have to join there, right? In Hindi
No,
class?
I don't want to join. I
why?
will join too.
Okay, people, those who are going for Hindi, go to Hindi. Those who are going for others for others. But you are no eating during the other class, okay?
Arabic.
Ah, Fateh, go to Arabic.
Ma'am, Hindi ma'am is joined, ma'am.
Hindi ma'am is here? Where's
Yeah,
ma'am? I don't see her.
not the Hindi class, Hindi
Hey,
class.
go, go, go! Bye! Go, 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 go!
Bye.
Fateh, you can go for Arabic. Laisal, which class are you?
Yeah, I'm already joining it because Ralia ma'am joins late. That's why
Okay,
she has a
Barira.
lot of problems.
Hmm. Why Laser and Barira are not leaving?
Namaste, ma'am.
Badira is also Arabic.
Oh my god. He joined here and he said namaste and went. Okay, what about Fateh and Barira? See, join by
It
see
didn't
whether ma'am
start.
it didn't start.
We are Arabic only.
Yeah,
That's nice.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Yeah, that's fine. How is your studies going, Fateh?
good.
I heard you sometimes get bored in class.
Yeah, because I have no writing,
Which class do you get bored the most?
especially Arabic because no writing.
You want more writing in Arabic.
Ma'am
That's
joined.
okay. Bye. But Barira, ma'am joined. You need to leave and go join the other class. Come quickly. Barira.
Yes.
Time to go to Hindi class. Sorry, Arabic class.
Oh, okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day.